Now this is a segment view of cirrhotic liver, in which, as you know, the routine is that the liver is measured in millimeters and centimeters, by which I don't agree, because the liver cannot be measured by B mode in centimeters and or in millimeters. The reason being that it has variable dimensions, and it is only A mode through which we can measure the liver in centimeters and millimeters. As you can see, for example, now this is the gallbladder and this is the IVC. Now if we draw an arbitrary line between the neck of the gallbladder and the lateral aspect of the IVC, medial aspect of the IVC, we see that it divides the liver into two portions. This is the left lobe, medially is the left lobe, and laterally is the right lobe of the liver. Now, by doing so, you can see that then the right lobe of the liver is measuring 8.9, whereas the left lobe of the liver is exceeding much beyond the epigastric region, measuring 7.8 centimeters. So therefore, the measurements that you provide should be either the liver is enlarged minimally, either enlarged minimal to moderately or moderately. In this video segment, this is the right lobe of the liver, this one, and this is the gallbladder, this is a small amount of fluid, this is the left lobe of the liver, in which you can see the left portal vein, this is the right portal vein, and this is the IVC, this is the diaphragm. When we see this, now see that the division again will tell you that if I again try to do the same, dividing the liver into two, right lobe and left lobe, then this is the right lobe of the liver, and this is the left lobe of the liver, this is the gallbladder, and this is the fluid surrounding the outer surface of the liver, and this is the diaphragm, right hemidiaphragm. This is the right portal vein, this is the left portal vein. Now, liver can only be measured in total when it is seen, when it is totally shrunken. Now, in this case, if I just scan from this angle, I will say that the liver is shrunken or shows a generalized reduced total surface area. It measures 10.4 centimeters from this angle. This is the diaphragm. This is the fluid surrounding the outer irregular surface of the liver being cirrhotic. This is the IVC. So now you honestly yourself see that which is the proper way to describe the liver dimensions. Now I am going to go to the left lobe of the liver. Now this is the left lobe of that same liver, where you can see these are the branches. Just a minute. Okay. Now this is the left portal vein, it's dividing. This is the ligamentum venosum. This is the caudate lobe. This is the IVC, and this is the left lobe of the liver in transverse section. Whereas this is the right lobe of the liver. So what impression will you take? That is the liver showing generalized reduced total surface area, or that the right lobe of the liver is showing generalized reduced total surface area, whereas the left lobe of the liver